These systems, particularly on the east coast of Australia, they're fairly rare, they're fairly limited, and they can be hotspots. They can be hotspots for chemistries. They can be hotspots in terms of sinks or sources of greenhouse gases. They can be hotspots for biological and flora and fauna. Basically the uniqueness of these areas makes them really important.
This work is actually a combined project between South East Queensland Water and Southern Cross Uni. The Bribie Island uses the bore system to pump water for their town water and process it there. So they're looking to see if this water is interacting with the groundwater, and if so, if they take too much groundwater out to the population, are these lagoons going to suffer?
We're looking at groundwater inputs into intermittently closed and open lakes. So there's a bit of a mystery in the community, in the scientific community, about why these lakes are here. Is it coming from rainwater? Is it coming from groundwater? What sustains them? So what we're doing is we're employing cutting-edge technology. We're bringing it out into these beautiful environments, and we're able to look at some of the gases in the water in these lakes to tell us the origins of them. To date, there's been very limited data on these systems. I'm not aware of any scientists that have actually come and done work in these areas. So this work represents the first of its kind in these environments in Australia.
So basically we have 3 research questions that we're trying to answer here. The first one is that, is groundwater feeding these lakes or lagoons? And the second one is that, where is that groundwater is coming into these lagoons? And the third one is that groundwater having any impact on the water quality of these lakes in terms of biogeochemical processes? What we are finding here, based on the results from our previous research performed in different seasons throughout the year, is that we're seeing significant temporal and spatial changes in groundwater entering these lagoons. And that actually shows the importance of monitoring these systems frequently to be able to fully understand these phenomenal coastal systems.